Hello, this is Seth from Northland Dodge in Prince George, and today we're taking a look at a 2017 Ram 3500 SLT Crew Cab. Under the hood we have a 6.7 liter i6 Cummins turbo diesel engine and a 6-speed automatic transmission. This guy's in the bright white and it looks great. We do have that chrome accenting right up front with that Dodge logo, and you do have the tow hooks right down there as well. You do have the halogen quad headlamps hanging out here, and they are very bright. Now coming around the side here, we do have 18-inch rims. They look great, and it does have Firestone brand tires with lots of tread still left on them. You got the Ram logo on there as well. You do have the Cummins turbo diesel engine right there, and also the Ram 3500 logo. You do have heated exterior tow mirrors as well with the turning signals on them. So what you can do with these guys is you can actually just push them up, just like that, and then they sit like that, and you can see even more behind you for if you're towing something. Now coming around the back, it does have a massive 8-foot box. Pretty much good for storing whatever you might need to. You got the SLT logo there, the Ram logo, and the 4x4, as well as you do have your backup cameras hitting there. Now opening this guy up, got tons and tons of room, as I said before, and it does have the box liner, so nothing will be getting scratched up, and you will be able to haul whatever you might want to. Okay, we got our keys here. We got 2 presses to unlock all the doors, 1 press to lock them, and you do got your panic button right up there. But let's unlock and jump on in. Now on the door here, you do have electric mirrors, windows, and locks all hanging out there with a bit of that chrome accenting up here. You got the Ram logo with your handle, bit of storage here and a bit more down here. You got tons of room in here as well. It is very soft. This cloth interior is very comfortable. It is electric seats as well, so backward and forward, as well as the tilt and the lumbar support. You also have the controls of your lights here, so you got your auto, your off, your daytime running lights, and your low beams, as well as your in-cabin light control here. And this guy is the control over your windshield wipers as well as your high beams. Okay, on the inside now, let's start her up. Key in the ignition, and we are good to go. Now in the center here, we do have our speedometer and our odometer, as well as we have our fuel gauge, and we have our exhaust brake there. As well, we can see that in the center there, it does have what speed we're going, and which way we're facing, and how many kilometers, which is only 18,000, not very many. Also the temperature outside, you can change that though. You got your speedometer, you got your vehicle info, fuel economy, trip A and B. You also have your trailer tow, you have your messages, your screen setup, and then you can turn the menu off if you did want to, if it was too bright. That is all controlled from your steering wheel here with your voice recognition and your call out button for your Bluetooth. You also got your horn in the center, of course, and you have your cruise control options. Now here is our gear shift. Shift it just like that. When you are in reverse, you do have your backup camera. Now over here we do have our 5-inch touchscreen display, so you do have AM, FM, and Sirius XM all hanging out right here, as well as you got your media tab if you have one hooked up through Bluetooth, aux cord, or USB. You also have your phone if you did have one hooked up through your Bluetooth. You got your compass, you got your settings, and you also have your more for your clock and your temperature. Then down here you do have your volume up and down with your mute, your screen off, your back button, and your browser there. And then over here we do have the controls over a 2-wheel, our 4-wheel lock, and a 4-wheel low. And then over here we do have our climate control, so we have our hazard lights, we have the power there with the circulation, AC and heat, and then you also have where it's going to blow out of. Down here is our trailer brake, you have your traction control, your tow and haul mode, your exhaust brakes, and you have your rear park assist. You can also open this guy up and you got some storage in there. And you got a plug in here, and another one just over there, USB. As well, you do have in the center your armrest. You got 3 cup holders as well. It can be opened up and you have some coin holders in there. And then right over there you do have an aux cord, a USB, and another 12-volt plug-in. Close that guy up, you can lift this up. Got another seat right under there. It does seat 6 people altogether. And as well, you can open this guy up here. And you do have 2 glove boxes. Super nice, lots and lots of room. And then up top here we do have these guys, so we have our lights, and then this one controls the little window right in the back there. It is raining, so I'm not going to open it right now, but it does open that guy up. Take a look in the back now. Open this guy up. On the door here we do have that same chrome accenting. We have the controls over the windows. You got a handle here, some storage, and some more. It is a crew cab, so there's lots of room back here, and it is the same material as the front. Very soft. You can also pull this guy down just like that, and you got an armrest with some cup holders. And you can also lift these guys right up like this, and then you can lift them up, and you got some storage under there. There's an identical one on the other side, just a little bit bigger. You can also fold these down just like this, and something can lay flat on top of it. Super nice if you're hauling something around. You also have your extra storage just in there, and there is another one on the other side. And there's our 6.7 liter i6 Cummins turbo diesel engine. Well, that does it for my walk around video of the 2017 Ram 3500 SLT. If you want to come and take a closer look for yourself or take it for a test drive, come on down to Northland Dodge in Prince George and talk to one of our sales specialists. Thanks for watching.